बिफोर योर एग्जामिनेशन टेस्ट यू लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली। हमारे देश में कई सारे बच्चे ऐसे हैं, हजारों की तादाद में, who lose their ranks not because of their mistakes but just because of their carelessness. Today I am going to teach you three important things which you will execute in your examination hall to raise your ranks, to get full confidence while doing your papers. Point number one, in our country we have seen that most of the students think that first 15 minutes given to them are their relaxation time, but remind it that first 15 minutes are your real strategy time. इन 15 मिनटों में आपको अच्छे से अपना क्वेश्चन पेपर पढ़ना है विद फुल कंसंट्रेशन एंड यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन द कमांड्स। क्या कमांड वाई है, व्हाट है, वेयर है, क्या डिस्क्राइब है, क्या डिस्टिंग्विश है, क्या डिफरेंशिएट है, क्या डायग्रामेटिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन है। समटाइम्स a student, instead of describing things, provides the diagrammatic representation. Instead of providing diagrammatic representation which was in the command, he is describing the things. So irrespective of his full preparation, he is losing the rank, he is losing the marks. And point number second, most of the students make mistakes while filling their OMR sheets. You think for a student who has prepared for a year, for 2 years, for 3 years, to go through in a particular examination, and he is filling a wrong bubble against his role number teacher. So आपके पेपर में लिखा होता है, in your OMR sheet, in your question paper, upper right, upper left corner has been provided with this code, that code. You have to ensure it. You have to fill the same code under respect to against the respect to digital bubbles. You have to ensure it first in your first 15 minutes that you have done it properly. You have encircled that all which was required by the examiner. And point number three. Point number three is that most of our students start answering their question papers by attempting a difficult question. Why? क्यों? उसको क्या प्रूव करना है? Why? What he is going to prove to his examiner? तो यहाँ पे आपको करना क्या है? सबसे आसान क्वेश्चन जो आपको लगा, सबसे आसान क्वेश्चन, टेक दैट क्वेश्चन, चाहे उसका मार्क फर्स्ट है या लास्ट है, whether it is question number 1, whether it is question number 10. You have to take that question first which looks easy for you. It may look very difficult for another person, but what looks easy for you, you have to attempt that. You have to take that. और इस आसान क्वेश्चन के करने के बाद आपके ब्रेन के अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप होगी। कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप होगा तो ब्रेन पॉजिटिव न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स को रिलीज करेगा। वो आपको मींस 3 आवर लॉन्ग एग्जामिनेशन टाइम पीरियड में आपको एनर्जेटिक रखेंगे, खुश रखेंगे, कॉन्फिडेंट रखेंगे और उससे आपकी स्पीड बढ़ेगी, प्रॉपर टाइम मैनेजमेंट होगा। सो रिमाइंड वन थिंग, दैट knowledge gives the marks